Addition and subtraction of two-digit numbers. Terms used in addition. Rio and Jia see 2 orange fish and 4 yellow fish in a pond. How many fish do they see in all? 2 and 4 fish add up to 6 fish. We use the plus symbol to represent addition. This is read as 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, so they see 6 fish in all. The numbers we add are called add-ins here. 2 and 4 are add-ins. The total that we get is called the sum here. 6 is the sum. Addition of 3 one-digit numbers with regrouping. Add 2 plus 7 plus 4. Add the unit blocks. Let us count one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We know that a group of 10 ones block make 110. So, 2 plus 7 plus 4 is equal to 13 ones. We can also write them as 110 plus 3 ones. Addition of two-digit numbers. Let us first understand the addition of two-digit and one-digit numbers. At 58 plus 9 we represent the number 58 using blocks like this in the place value table and add 9 ones to it. Step 1. Add ones. 8 ones plus 9 ones is equal to 17 ones. Step 2. 17 ones is 110 and 7 ones. Step 3. 5 tens plus 1 10 is equal to 6 tens. Thus, 58 plus 9 is equal to 67. Let us now understand adding to two-digit numbers with regrouping. Add 65 plus 16. Step 1. Arrange the numbers vertically using their place value and add the ones by counting number of balls. 5 ones plus 6 ones is equal to 11 ones. Here, 11 ones is equal to 110 and 1 ones. Write 1 in the ones column and carry over 110 on the tens column. Step 2. Add the tens. 6 tens plus 110 plus 1 is equal to 8 tens. Write 8 in the tens place. Thus, 65 plus 16 is equal to 81. Next, we will learn how to add 3 two-digit numbers. Add 11 plus 22 plus 13. Step 1. Add the ones. 1 1 plus 2 ones plus 3 ones is equal to 6 ones. Write 6 in the ones place. Step 2. Add the tens. 1 10 plus 2 tens plus 1 10 is equal to 4 tens. Write 4 in the tens place. Thus, 11 plus 22 plus 13 is equal to 46. Addition properties. How much is 3 plus 4? If we add 3 balls and 4 balls, we get 7 balls. How much is 4 plus 3? If we add 4 balls and 3 balls, we again get 7 balls. We see that 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 and 4 plus 3 is also equal to 7. So, 3 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 3. Always remember that while adding, if we change the order of numbers, the sum does not change. This is called the order property of addition. Property of 0. If we add 0 to a number or number to 0, the answer will be the number itself. For example, 27 plus 0 is equal to 27 and 0 plus 27 is also equal to 27. Thus, 27 plus 0 is equal to 0 plus 27 is equal to 27. Story problems. There are 20 mathematics books, 35 Hindi books, and 15 EVS books in a bookshop. How many books are there in the bookshop in all? Let us write the numbers vertically to add. By adding them, we get 70 books in all. Thus, there are 70 books in the bookshop. Terms used in subtraction. When we take things away, we subtract. There are 9 balloons. 2 balloons flew away. Crossing out the balloons that have flown away. Now we have 7 balloons. We use this symbol to represent the things that are taken away. This symbol is read as minus. It is read as 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. The number from which we subtract a smaller number is called the minuend. The number which is subtracted from the greater number is called the subtrahend. The result is called the difference. Subtraction from 2-digit numbers. Let us first understand the subtraction of a 1-digit number from a 2-digit number. Subtract 82 minus 5. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in columns according to their place value. 5 cannot be subtracted from 2, so borrowing 1 10 from the tens place is helpful. Step 2. 10 plus 2 ones is equal to 12 ones. Since 1 10 was borrowed by the ones column, so we are left with 7 tens in the minuend. Then, 12 ones minus 5 ones is equal to 7 ones. Write 7 in the ones place. Step 3. Subtract the tens. Then, 7 tens minus 0 tens is equal to 7 tens. Thus, 82 minus 5 is equal to 77. Let us now understand the subtraction of a 2-digit number from a 2-digit number. Subtract 66 minus 48. Step 1. Subtract the ones. Since 8 cannot be subtracted from 6, borrow 1 10 from the tens column and regroup ones column as 1 10 plus 6 ones is equal to 16 ones. Then, 16 ones minus 8 ones is equal to 8 ones. Write 8 in the ones place. Step 2. Subtract the tens. Since 1 10 is borrowed by the ones column, so we are left with 5 tens in the minuend. Then, 5 tens minus 4 tens is equal to 1 10. Write 1 in the tens place. Thus, 66 minus 48 is equal to 18. Do you know? We can check subtraction by adding the difference to the subtrahend. For example, when we write 68 minus 49 vertically, we have 68 as minuend, 49 as subtrahend and 19 as difference. For checking the answer, we add the difference which is 19 and the subtrahend which is 49 together. We get the total as 68 which is the same as the minuend. Subtraction facts. If we subtract 0 from any number, the difference is the number itself. For example, 23 minus 0 equals 23. If a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. For example, 32 minus 32 equals 0. Story problems. Keshav was blowing balloons for his birthday party. He blew 68 balloons. His friend Shelly burst 19 balloons. How many balloons are left with Keshav? We place the numbers in place value columns and subtract. Thus, 49 balloons are left with Keshav.